No and none are words used to describe zero amount or number. They help us say that something is not present or does not exist. Understanding the difference between these words is important to use them correctly in English. No is a word used before a noun to tell that there is zero of that noun. None is a pronoun that replaces a noun to show that there is zero amount. Both mean no quantity, but they are used differently in sentences. Here are simple examples. We use no before a noun like in the sentence, she had no shoes. When we use none, it stands alone without a noun. For example, how much sugar? None. These examples show how no and none work in real sentences. No is used before singular or plural nouns to show zero quantity. For example, there is no milk left. None replaces nouns by itself, like in the question, how much milk? None. None can also be used with the word of, for example, none of the children were awake. Remember, no cannot be used with of. No is a determiner, used before nouns to say there is nothing of something, like no apples are left. None is a pronoun and replaces the noun in a sentence. For example, none was left. None is often used with of, like none of the cookies. No is used in negative statements or signs, while none replies to questions about zero quantity. Examples of no include sentences like no parking allowed and I have no money. Examples of none include answers like none of the cookies or none were left. These examples help you see how to use no and none when talking about real situations. A common mistake is saying none milk is left, which is wrong. The correct sentence is no milk is left. Another mistake is saying no people are here. The correct way is there are no people here. Remember, none cannot come before nouns, and no should be used with the right sentence structure. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with no or none. Examples: there is no milk in the fridge. How much money? None. None of the students passed the test. Choose the correct word. For example, I have no time today and no parking allowed here. Practicing helps you use no and none correctly in daily English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.